be a long process to clean up storm damage between the physical labor and working with your insurance company.
And some people are still trying to get things taken care of after those strong storms came through during the spring and summer. Chris Bryant looks at the damage done and what you can do now to be prepared for the next storm.
That's a tree that was 150 years old that stood up. Insurance covered so much of it, and this is the remaining part of it because they don't want to get rid of the rest of it.
Some homeowners are still trying to recover from rounds of severe weather that hit during the spring and summer.
This year, the two big ones were April 29th and June 29th. Pretty much all of Greene County between those two events were impacted with high winds, and that led to quite a bit of damage reported across the area.
During the cleanup process, dealing with insurance companies has been a problem for some.
When the branch came in, you could see where it shoved the metal thing up the bracket to hold the skirting.
Kelly Barlow says she feels like the insurance adjuster could have done a better job when it comes to assessing the damage.
And the guy never did really get up underneath the trailer to see if it shifted anything. He just glanced in. I stood there and walked with him. He says it doesn't look like it shifted. Did he ever get up underneath of it to look? No, he did not.
Insurance agents say policies are different from company to company, but for the most part, there has to be damage to a structure. Bryant Young with Insurers of the Ozarks says insurance companies are starting to look at the cost of coverage.
A lot of insurance companies have come back, several of the ones that we work with, and started reevaluating the replacement cost on these folks' home to make sure it is accurate.
While it is ideal to have some money set aside in case a storm event happens.
I can't imagine the people who likely cleaned up from the first event and then were hit with the second one, or, maybe they didn't get a lot of damage the first time and then they got it the second time.
Insurance agents say it's always best to talk to your agent to make sure you understand your coverage and make any changes to your policy that can save you headaches in the future. In Springfield, Chris Bryant, KY3 News.